So I am back live right now. Welcome to another session here. So lots of volatility after a big pushback. It just stalled off and then recovered as we saw yesterday. Let's see if we're gonna break highs or if we're gonna come back to lows. We're not really having any news yet, but currently highs of 180, lows of 145. I'm considering shorting the market once we break below, but let's see. DAX looks good to short. I'm not saying we have to short the DAX. I'm not saying we have to do anything. I would rather take a short on Nasdaq. Let's see if we're gonna break above here. Keeping this very simple. Just following my system I just told you about. And it works very good. You just have to wait for it to confirm. You see, we marked the highs, we marked the lows, there was no progress below, there was no progress above, it didn't close above, it didn't really close below. It's just not confirmation when it's just closing only 5-10 points above, and this is closing like 10 points above. So looks short to me on a shorter time frame. DAX really looks short again. Big push here, doing nothing. Wall Street and Nasdaq is really pushing. Could consider doing a long position on the Nasdaq if we are going to close above 200. Then we could potentially take it back. So DAX is really not doing anything, really consolidating again. Nasdaq just pushed above the highs for the opening. It looks like a long to me. I have no open positions. Still waiting for it to break 200. We got rejected on Wall Street. There is no clear direction in the market for me currently. I don't know if things is going to go up or if things is going to go down, if things is going to trade sideways. Right now it's not super clear. It's not clear where the market is going to go, so we're just going to follow the trends. There's no confirmation on the downside, and there's still more to give, and there's still more to come after. So only longs if there's no confirmation. There's no news today. So Nasdaq is very positive. see if we can make some money today here. So still not doing anything. This is the first opening bar with no progress. Some sort of selling pressure here. If I have to do something, I will take a short on DAX. Why? Because there's no progress really above 525, and the risk to reward is actually, pretty great. Short back to 400 maybe. Here we have S&P 500. It's not really doing anything. It's not really moving above. It's kind of like selling off. We have Wall Street selling off. We have Nasdaq doing nothing. You know what? I'll take a short on Nasdaq today, based on the other indexes. So I went for a short here at 190. I'll have my stop loss at the previous highs of 206. So stop loss 206, targeting stop loss at the previous highs. Let's see here. I took a short because S&P 500, to me, Wall Street looks weak. I'm not saying I'm gonna be right about this one, but let's see. Remember, I target 126, so I target 60 points on this one here. Currently up 10 points. I could consider exit this one here if we come back to, let's just exit at 169. 169, I just exited. So that was actually a quick little setup here, short. I'm just exit this one here because I have a feeling of it might stop at 400. It might stop also here at 80, and DAX also might push back. So again, you could exit now the short we just opened. I'm not saying we cannot target. I'm just saying I am waiting a little bit to go short again. Yeah. Okay, I could think about re-enter short. So let's just re-enter short again. So I just re-entered another short position. So this is my second trade. I will exit this one again at 58. So that was two quick trades actually. So if you just have followed me with the short, you wouldn't have lost money. We start shorting it around here and it's currently trading at 168. So it's quite slow without you really knowing it. It is actually quite slow. The reason why I exit is I told you that I have a feeling of it's gonna get stopped here at 80. I could consider shorting it again. I think I'm gonna short the Nasdaq here again at 170. Let's short it here. Currently short at 180, 179. I'll exit here again if we come back to 158. Let's see. Let's exit this one here, guys. Exit. I just exited at 68. It's currently trading at 64, so you could exit short again if you want. So exit short. Managed to take 3 trades. It's not really risking. It's not really coming up. So every time we went in, it's not really going against us. It's just going with us, and it's just quick scalping. But this is actually not bad. This is a little bit lower size, but I still managed to make on this little session here 3 good trades. every time I'm closing it is because I have a feeling of it's gonna bounce back and retest this high here, okay? But the 122, 130 is still positive and it's still possible. I might short the DAX instead, but DAX is a little bit more slow. I think I'm just gonna focus on the Nasdaq here in the future. This could be a long setup for Wall Street and for Nasdaq and also for the other indexes, okay? I could consider doing another short position here at 180, maybe 175. If we come back to 170, I'll do another short position. And DAX is just living its own life by doing, I don't know, nothing really. Big push. I'll do a short on DAX here. Why? Because Nasdaq is selling off, so that could probably make us some money here on the DAX. I'm in very light. It's might just gonna be a quick scalp. If we get the confirmation on Nasdaq, it doesn't really look like it's gonna confirm. So I might exit DAX. Let's see. So that's the issue, no confirmation. I thought it would sell off more. And then DAX is just really playing with me. I'm not really good at DAX at the moment. I'll exit this short here for nothing, so just break even. And then I will think about shorting the Nasdaq once we get up again. But if we keep selling off, I could consider doing another short. It looks like we're holding a support here. S&P 500, it's very close to support. Same for Wall Street. Support should be 400, but we just went below. Could consider doing a long position here on Nasdaq for a short-term scalp. I'll take a quick long position here on the Nasdaq. Let's see here. Looks like it could come actually lower today. Yeah. Doing a quick long here at 150. Okay, I'm here long at 144. It's a quick scalp. Let's exit this one here at 155. Just a quick scalp. If you did not manage to exit for now, you can exit now, so calm down, everything is fine. It's even higher. And it's not really risking. We have a stop loss, it's not going below 144. It's not really risky to trade this market. Why? Because there's nothing that could move the market. That's what I normally like. I used to have the best win rate ever and be one of the best traders in my field in Nasdaq, but I switched for somehow, and I don't know why, to DAX, and that even went worse for me. So this instrument, I'm extremely bad at trading that, and I don't know why, and I'm extremely good at trading the Nasdaq. So I should stick to that. You see, I say go along, and then everyone is panicking and say I didn't manage to get in, I got out at a bad price. Like, no, you could just hold a little bit longer. It's not coming below, it's just trading below these. So overall, 17 minutes trading, pretty happy. I took the same trades on my live account. I took one of them. So no progress below, no progress above. I think I'm just gonna hold here and not over trade too much. This was like 15 minutes trading, and I kind of like enjoyed it. It was very simplified, and it was very simple. And it was actually very good. If the market is gonna come back to 145, I'll take a quick long here again. Else I could consider doing a short position. I might do a quick short here. Shorting the market here. It's a little bit risky, this one here. Let's see here. Let's see if this is going to work out. If the market is going to drop. No progress. I'll just exit the short at 155. It's currently trading 155, 156, 155. Exit short. No more trading for me. The last one was not. Yeah, I just saw that it was a potentially good little short back to 145. You could hold it or you could exit. I have exit. I'm not trading more. There was no progress above, no progress below. I'm looking for momentum. After 15 minutes, there was not really anything, and that's why I'm saying, okay, that's it for me now. Keeping my to my principles. See you Monday. Have a great